In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an Elementor header. Whether you're just starting out with Elementor or looking to refine your web design skills, this tutorial will guide you through creating a professional-looking header for your website, step by step. Let's kick things off by installing the necessary plugin. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, head over to the Plugins section and click on Add New. In the search bar, type in Elementor Header and Footer Builder. Once you see it appear in the search results, go ahead and click Install and then activate it. This plugin is indispensable for customizing your site's header and footer with ease. Now that you have the plugin installed and activated, the next step is to create a header template. You'll want to navigate to the Appearance section on your dashboard, and you'll notice a new option called Header Footer Builder. Click on it, and then hit Add New. A dialog will appear. This is where you'll name your template. Let's call it Header Template to keep things simple and organized. Next, under Template Type, make sure you select Header. It's crucial to specify where on your site this header will appear. You'll find a section labeled Display On. You can either choose to display the header on your entire website, which is ideal for a consistent look and feel across all your pages, or you can define specific pages if you need certain variations. Once your header template is set up, it's time to get creative and start designing. Click on Edit with Elementor on the header template you just made. This will open the Elementor Drag and Drop Page Builder. Here, you have complete freedom to design your header. Utilize widgets like Site Logo, Navigation Menu, and Search to create a functional and visually appealing header. If you've installed Elements Kit Lite, you'll find additional layout and menu design options at your disposal, allowing you to further customize your header. After you're satisfied with the design, remember to click Update in Elementor to ensure all your changes are saved. It's a good practice to cross-check and verify that your newly designed header appears correctly. Simply visit your site to see it in action. The header should be visible across all your pages, effectively adhering to the display conditions you set. There you have it, a sleek custom header made with Elementor that's now part of your website's personality. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to making every part of your site look polished and professional. Keep experimenting with different designs and widgets to create a header that truly reflects your brand's identity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your website with Elementor and WordPress.